Okay. I have not been to WHATABURGER in so long. I'm so excited.
Having a great day here. WHATABURGER means Catherine. Would you like to try an avocado bacon burger today?
No, 1 second, please.
Take all 10 minutes. Let me know if you have any questions.
Okay. Okay, I want to get a, let me see, the double meat WHATABURGER Junior meal.
You want cheese on it?
Yes, and just ketchup and mayonnaise, please.
You want ketchup and mayonnaise in that?
Yeah.
You got it?
And then, to drink, do y'all have Pepsi or Coke?
We have Coke product.
Okay, can I get a Diet Coke with that? Actually, a Coke Zero. Didn't see that y'all had that.
Sure. Anything else for you?
Yeah, I also, do you have like a small chicken sandwich? Like a,
We don't have a small one. We just have the one.
oh, just the regular bright. Okay. Alright, I'll get a, okay, I'll do the 3-piece chicken strip.
Okay, what dipping sauce for you?
Gravy.
Alright, anything else for you?
Yeah, and I'll get the cinnamon roll. Yeah, that's all I'll get. Alright, can I also get a side of ranch? Yo, I hate feeling rushed. I always feel so rushed. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing WHATABURGER, and if you've never had WHATABURGER, I'm so sorry. Like, it is delicious. I think it like originated in Texas, and there's a lot of WHATABURGERs in Texas, and we had one pop up here not too long ago. So I'm super excited. I haven't been in so long, even though it's so good. Like, the bun is so buttery, the burgers are so juicy. It's good, girl. So I'm gonna take a thumbnail. Okay, so we got a huge bag, so I only got a couple things. So I brought my water, but I'm being so bad, and I got a Coke, so a Coke Zero. And I know you're like, mukbang, what's her shirt say? It is the Trisha Paytas merch, and I thought it was like, I had to order it because I thought it was so cute, and I love Trisha, so I bought the shirt. I thought it was so fitting to wear it for the video, so that's what I'm doing. Also, all these updates. Also, I got this little tray, and it goes on my steering wheel. How nifty. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I can't sit with my leg up anymore then. So, food's here. All right. I don't know, I doubt you'll still be able to see it, but whatever. So we got the double junior burger. Look at all that grease. The more grease, the better. Just kidding. We have a cinnamon roll for dessert. We got French fries. Their fries with ranch is so good. I should have got a large fry. Oh no. Oh no. We also got some chicken fingers. Oh whoa. That's a big old thing of chicken. I asked for a 3-piece. They gave me a 4-piece. No, that was so good. Way better than I thought. We got spicy ketchup, which they're like famous for. And did I forget my ranch? Oh, they didn't. Woo! The ranch for the fries or the chicken or whatever, because the ranch is amazing. Smells good. Chicken bill. Alright, we're gonna pull it out of this box so we can have some more ranch. Y'all, I hate ordering and not knowing what I want, because I'm like sitting there going, Y'all, this tray is so cute. It's so full. I wish it was up higher, like up here. I don't think. Oh, I got gravy on my shirt. Okay, let's dig in. I'm so excited. Y'all, I used to go, or I still do, I've done it recently, I'll go through their drive-thru just to get their ranch and fries. I know this doesn't look too special. Oh, I should have got lettuce. Oh well. Oh my god. This is like Five Guys, like in a drive-thru. I don't know what's better, Five Guys or Whataburger. They're very close. I'm gonna try a chicken finger with some gravy. That's where it's at. I don't like super crunchy chicken tenders. Like, I would much rather eat Chick-fil-A tenders over anything because I don't really like a lot of breading. But if you dip it in gravy, it's good. Oh my god. How awkward. Someone's pouring beside me. Okay. Ugh. I hope that cinnamon roll is fresh. I don't feel hot. It's so dark in here, but it's because my tint on my windows are so dark. Oh, this gravy is so good. I'll put a little bit more salt in the gravy. I can't eat any more salt right now. Okay. No. This ranch, it tastes like it's homemade. This little tray's nifty. Like like if you're traveling or something, like on the road. It just clips onto your steering wheel. I'm drooling. So if y'all know me, y'all know I'm kind of picky, like really picky, and I like everything pretty plain. Like, I like lettuce, but I'd rather not eat it on my food. Like, oh, it's salad, but I don't want lettuce on my burger. Sometimes, like this one, I wish I would have got lettuce on. I don't like onion. I like green onion, but I don't like slimy onion. Ugh, It's a texture thing. I don't like. I'll eat onion powder, and I love it, but I don't like the slimy texture of onion. What I'm getting to is, but recently I've started opening up more to vegetables, and I'm so excited because 3 years ago all I ate was corn, and that's not even really like a vegetable. And now I've been like eating new stuff. Like, I'll eat collard greens, I'll eat lima beans, I love green onion, well, I found out I like guacamole now. I'm so excited because I didn't understand the whole like guacamole thing. Everybody loves it, because I was just like, ugh. Because I'm not a fan of like plain avocado that just feels like butter in my mouth but tastes like grass. I don't like it. So I got some guacamole the other night and I mixed it in. I make more salsa in it because it was like super plain. I ate it up. Done with the gravy and the chicken. Oh, I got it. Oh, I'm so sorry. The air was on the whole time. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Boy, girl, you better not hit my car. That was too close for comfort. What are they doing? I'm sorry I'm staring off, y'all. Like, these two cars stopped. I think they're changing cars. I don't know what's going on. Weird. It's really good. And bread. I haven't even tried the spicy ketchup, and I like it. I can't believe I was bad and got a Coke. Why are people like parking over here? I'm like, I'm by myself. Why does everybody want to come here? That's another thing. So I just threw this into the. Why are so many people parking around me? What the heck? There's like so many parking spots. Way closer to the stores. Whatever. Anyway, I ripped this piece off my fries because I don't like brown fries. Just don't. I'm not even playing, y'all. I love their fries and ranch so much. So much. That's it. She's all over. She's all gone. There's that ranch. I was starving today if you couldn't tell. I wonder if you could put this up here. No, I won't put it up there. Well, dang it. Let's try the cinnamon roll. I can't eat all this, y'all. I did not know it was this big. Oh, it's kind of warm. Should I pull it out? Oh yeah, it's warm. I mean, it's not fresh, but it's warm. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, that's so good. That is so good and so soft. With the perfect amount of cinnamon. I don't like cinnamon rolls that have a lot of cinnamon in them. Oh wow. So good. No, I can't stop eating. I'm gonna be miserable. Okay, one last bite. I gotta stop. Yeah. I'm done. I'm trying to kill myself over here. Ooh, I'm so full. Alright, guys. I could like curl up and go to sleep. Lay down and go to sleep. Well, thanks guys so much for watching, and if you have a Whataburger near you and you haven't tried it, please go try it so you can know what the hype is about, because it's so good. It was so delicious. Everything was so good. So anyway, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching my mukbang. I'm so weird. Alright, bye guys.